Hello, welcome to episode 144 of The Daily Shed. Today I'm going to talk about triple picking. Just that, just how it sounds, triple picking. So I'm going through an A major scale and hitting 3 notes for every note. It's a great exercise for articulation in the right hand and also speed, and combining your articulation with the left hand and just getting really accurate with it. So it's just as simple as that. And what I'm doing, I use my index finger kind of like a pick. I pinch it together. So if you're using pick style, let's use your regular technique. If you're doing finger style, you can also do it alternating index and middle fingers. Like that, or just pick, going up and down, alternate picking. It's a great thing to have on hand, to have down, to be available for soloing. It's a cool thing to throw in rather than doing speed while moving around a lot of notes. It's adding a lot of motion, a lot of action while playing fewer notes. I'll go through the whole A major scale on triples. It also presents a nice challenge in skipping strings because you're doing so much per every note. And as you increase your speed, being able to skip and keep your pattern going, alternate picking is really good. Then going back down again. And start out slow. I would just recommend starting out very slow with this. Just getting it as even as possible. As even as regular, and all the same volume even as you're skipping the strings. So I hope this is useful to you. Please let me know any comments or questions you may have. Thanks so much for watching, and don't forget to subscribe.